Hello, I want to give you a preview of what we will be covering on our regular monthly webinars. I would like to take a moment to show you the process of what we'll be covering as well as how this webinar is going to go through. We will use a different format for the webinar. I will show you a few recorded YouTube videos that I did already, so that saves some time as well as gives an opportunity for people to ask questions and actually write those questions and comments in a document that I'm going to share it on Google Docs. So be prepared, try to log in from a laptop so you can actually type in those questions. And another one I will be doing is going to be, I will share it right now. So back in October of 2023, I had done this webinar for the first time. And at the time, actually, I asked the participants to kind of create a story dynamically, right? So somebody talks about one sentence of the story, the second speaker talks about the third sentence, stuff like that. So you can see on the screen, somebody mentioned about a king. He could not make up his mind about the war and he's going through certain things, right? This is a transcription from my phone, so it's not really very clear. But the point is, I took this particular transcription and gave it to ChatGPT at that time and generated this beautiful story. And ChatGPT was able to understand the story extremely well and rewritten as a 10-year-old girl telling, and I generated these images that actually captures the essence of that particular story. So here is basically a king that gets teleported into the past, and he meets another Stone Age person, and they have some conversation and everything, and it's a beautiful story that is written. The images came out extremely good. What I did today is I took these particular images and now Grok is able to generate some wonderful videos. So I generated three scenes and then I put them all together. I'm going to play that particular video for you right now.
The veil between worlds thins.
Awaken, the path is clear.
Enter, seeker of light.
My people, we must learn AI. Every other kingdom is developing AI models and tools. We must learn AI and prosper.
Friends, spend an hour a day to learn AI tools and explore. The future awaits.
So that's a video I kind of created with the Grok. There's the 3 clips of it, and then I put them together with the Microsoft tool called Clipchamp. So we'll cover some of these things in the webinar. So please join us. We are going to have these webinars on a monthly basis. And some of the topics that are going to be pre-recorded and they'll be on my channel on G5 Infotech. We will be talking a whole lot about how the LLMs work. I'm going to go into the slideshow here. So we're going to talk a whole lot about how the LLMs work, the small language models, and we will actually do lots of demos in this particular webinar, because demos is where you are going to learn how to use deep research from Gemini, how to do video generation, as well as some songs. Google actually released a new model for music generation. We will cover all these things in this particular webinar, and I want to basically make everyone a power user of all these AI tools. And if you are interested to go deep dive into any of these topics and you want to learn like Cloud Code or improve your proficiency of everything, we are going to do much more deep dive sessions as paid training programs for upskilling programs for about 12 weeks. So anyway, please join us on the webinar and we will cover some of the topics. Thank you.